Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best cage light fixtures you can get your hands on, the Lomoky 2 Light Farmhouse Ceiling Light. Whether you're giving your hallway a glow-up or redefining your kitchen's ambiance, this light fixture brings both style and substance to the table. Let's start with the look. This Lomoky ceiling light oozes retro industrial charm. The black metal cage design is a modern take on vintage style, creating a bold yet warm presence wherever it's installed. The anti-rust black painted surface doesn't just elevate the look, it enhances durability. This isn't just a showpiece, it's built to last. Now, onto the construction. Made entirely of metal, it brings a sturdy, high-quality feel that you can notice the moment you unbox it. The cage protects the bulbs from accidental bumps, without compromising on light output. And speaking of bulbs, it uses two standard E26 bases, supporting up to 60 watts per light. You can pair it with LED or incandescent bulbs, depending on the mood you're going for. Just keep in mind, bulbs are not included in the package. Installation is refreshingly simple. Everything you need is in the box: the mounting hardware, clear instructions, and of course, the light fixture itself. It's hardwired, so you'll want to turn off your breaker, grab your screwdriver, and follow along with the guide. Even if you're not a seasoned DIYer, this is totally manageable with a little patience. Let's talk about versatility. This fixture isn't just for the hallway. It fits beautifully in living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, cafes, restaurants, you name it. The semi-flush mount form factor keeps it close to the ceiling, making it perfect even for spaces with lower clearance. It runs on 110 volts, so if you're outside the US, say in the UK or EU, you'll want to use a voltage converter to ensure compatibility. And if you're wondering about shipping, Amazon currently doesn't ship this product to some international locations, including India. So double-check your delivery address before placing an order. The attention to detail, the stylish blend of form and function, and the price point. It's no surprise this light has caught the eyes of so many home decor lovers. Whether you're aiming for a cozy rustic vibe or a bold industrial look, the Lomoky 2 Light Farmhouse Ceiling Fixture delivers. That's all for today's review. If you're ready to bring some industrial charm into your home, the Lomoky Light Fixture might just be what you're looking for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product insights right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.